Fluffy, doughy, and sweet. Just a few days before Fat Tuesday, everyone in Chicago lines up for delicious paczki. We went to Polish Paczki Cafe. It's a cozy mom and pop place on Foster Avenue. We went this past Saturday and the line was long, but you should come here for more than just dessert. They have so many great options for lunch, but we suggest starting with the perfect pierogies.
Soft. Alright, so here, let me cut it open.
Get some of that bacon. Those are soft.
So, I mean, I can't exactly place what's in it. I know it has to be a mixture of spices and pork. Works really well. Tastes really nice, so it's delicious. The outer wrapper is really nice and soft, not too chewy. It kind of like almost melts in your mouth when you bite into it. That's how soft it is. It's really good.
That's very good.
Yeah, it's really nice and soft, right? You want me to like raise it?
That's okay. It's beautiful.
Yep.
Why did you order a pizza?
It does look like a pizza, right? Yeah, it's a large potato pancake with Polish goulash, and they topped it with mozzarella. First time I've ever seen goulash topped with mozzarella.
That's good.
But I'm looking forward to it. And Maria got the large pork chops, topped with mushrooms, and I think those are potato dumplings.
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. That was really good.
I hope I don't burn my mouth. That is very good. The pork is nice and tender. The pancake is nice and tender. You know, there's a little crispiness on there, but it's mostly tender on the inside. And the mozzarella actually goes really well with this. I'm going to eat some.
Look at that cheese pool.
Hey. You have your own plate. Yeah. I told you it was really tender.
That is very tender.
Yeah.
Mozzarella.
Yeah, you can't escape it.
Potato dumplings.
The potato dumplings?
Nice and chewy. You know what this reminds me of?
What does it remind you of?
Tteokbokki.
Oh, really?
Korean tteokbokki. But like, you have to try these. But obviously Polish.
It made out of potato.
It's so good.
That is a large pork chop.
I'll take some of it home. This looks like something you would order instead of me, right?
Yeah.
Alright, try it. It's very chewy. You should have had half of that bite.
Yeah.
Have some gochujang on that.
Mushroom sauce, actually. Yeah, it's kind of like the consistency of the yuca pasteles.
Ah, yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of like the consistency that it has. But it's really good. Nice and tasty. But yeah, it's very, very chewy.
It's a lot of dill.
Red cabbage.
Nice and tangy.
Slightly tangy and crunchy. But I like it.
Leftovers.
Yeah. we got defeated.
We gave up.
Welcome to another episode of Car Food Confessionals, the Paczki edition.
Is it Paczki or Paczki?
I think it's Paczki.
I mean, I was hearing people that were calling it Paczki.
Paczki,
but,
yeah.
You know, I don't speak Polish. So
I'm gonna go with Paczki.
Yeah.
That's what they were saying, so I'm gonna say that too.
So yeah, we can tell this place was legit because most people were speaking Polish. So.
Yeah, and you know when they speak the language, the place you're going to, it's legit.
That's legit, yeah.
Too legit to quit, but you don't want to quit. You want to go in and eat.
Okay. So yeah. So now that we're done with our meal, check it out. We got some Paczkis.
Yeah.
Hey. Why we only had 3 in a little piece? Because okay, someone couldn't wait, and
I mean, I had a piece before. That's how I know what it is.
so I'm guessing these are pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay, I guess it's my turn to try it.
Yeah, you're.
So what was the thing on top? We were wondering about this. Like, is it a gold leaf?
Yeah, I think it's like either lemon zest, because it looks kind of like.
It has orange.
Orange zest, yeah, orange zest.
So.
Yeah.
I don't want to rip it because there's a lot of sugar in it.
Yeah, it's like a glazed donut, which it's really good. I snuck out a few bites actually.
Oh wow!
It's very fluffy, right?
Not just that, it tastes very fruity.
Yeah, because it has like a jam. It's not a jelly. It's more like a jam.
I'm not there yet. You can see. I'm gonna have to rip it.
It's kind of sweet, so since there's a lot of like fluffy dough, it goes well because it doesn't make it too sweet.
Yeah, because you know how usually donuts like these are very like.
Yeah, you don't have enough of the donut, and then you have a lot of the jelly, so it's like way overpowering. But here, it's like I think it's a good ratio.
So yeah, so it's Paczki weekend here in Chicago, and a lot of these Polish bakeries are just overflowing with people waiting in line, trying to get like boxes and boxes and boxes of, right?
Yeah, because at the Paczki Cafe that we went to, it was just a huge line, and everybody was just ordering like dozens, 2 dozen, 3 dozens of the Paczkis.
Yeah, and we thought maybe we have to wait, but then the lady was like, no, if you're gonna have lunch, just sit down.
Yeah, you can just sit down at a table and we'll take your order.
And kudos to her, because she was level-headed, even though there was like tons of people, and she took her order and like...
She kept her cool.
Yeah, she was like super nice and kind of gave us recommendations.
Yeah, she was like Brad Pitt and Ad Astra, where nothing fazed her. She's like, all right, I got this.
This is on Foster Avenue, way
out
west. Like it's like 25 minutes from the lake.
West.
But totally worth it. So we highly recommend it.
And it's an easy drive too. You just take Foster all the way to the end.
Yeah.
Well, guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Let us know what your favorite dish was, and if you have a Polish place in your neighborhood, you know, what's it like? What do you guys like eating there?
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.